Hi and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you to make your LDRC 1899 GTR better than original. So I've got my parts in, let's build. First I am going to change the hubs, the wheel bearings, for aluminium ones. There was a little bit play on the original ones, so I changed that. And I put in an external gyro, a Dasmikro V5. The cables which comes with the package were not good, so I have to solder it myself. I think they changed the original electronics, because on the older versions you can turn off your internal gyro, but in this new version you can't. So I decided to put in new electronics, a Hobby Quickrun 1060 ESC and an Absima receiver and transmitter I had laying around. So let's take a look. And I changed the lights for some other LEDs because the other ones didn't work anymore. The original servo was not bad, but I decided to put in a Surpass Hobby 9G servo. So let's take the plastic original out and let's put in a new one. The servo arm fits nicely on the new one. And if you're still watching this video, please like, comment, share or subscribe and put on your notifications bell. You help me a lot. And then I decided to have more steering lock, so I ordered an ACXWA steering lock kit from AliExpress. On first it didn't work at all. Then I decided to take a look at the pictures from the advertisement. And I saw they changed the suspension bar. From the underside of the car they put it on the top. And now it's working great, you see. Got a lot more of steering angle. The only thing you have to do is to lubricate it a little bit, because it's 3D printed. But okay, let's take a look how it goes. I didn't have a lot of space to test it, but okay. It drives a lot smoother. And as you can see, it got loads of angle. It doesn't spin out as much anymore. Still a little bit of gyro wobble though, but that you can adjust, so I will do that in the nearby future. I'm really pleased to see how it drives now. You can go full throttle and you can steer your car with your gas, just like a real car. So it was not bad in stock form, but now it's much better. I thank you for your time to watch this video. Please like, comment, share or subscribe, put on your notifications bell, and if you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below, and I put on a list in the description from the parts I used. I see you the next time I hope. Thanks for watching, bye bye.